Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.
Hey guys, it's Bree. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 5 first impressions, so I'm going to be testing out 5 products I've never tried before. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see me test out some new products, just keep watching. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be doing a first impressions video. As you can see, I already have my eyes and my foundation on. The eyes I did film is look number 7 in my 10 looks using 1 palette series, and I am filming a foundation wear test on the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. My eyes aren't a first impressions, the foundation is, and then I have this overflowing box of stuff that I need to test out. When I get something new and I want to test it on camera, I set it over here on my little stand in this bin, so when I'm filming a video and I want to use something new, I can grab it out of there. I haven't been doing that very often, so I have all this stuff that I have not used and I need to get it out of here. So I'm trying to see what all I have. Some eyeshadow palettes, which obviously I'm not going to be using. I have some lippies. I have glitters. I'm just going to try as much as I can. Like, I'll probably use the blush and the highlight out of this PUR Midnight Masquerade palette. So I'm going to pull that out. I also bought a couple of the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Lipsticks, liquid lip color. So I have 2 of those that are really pretty. Let's see what else I have. Okay, I got these glitters. They were literally, I think they were Halloween ones. So they're Fright Night glitter eyeliners. And I just wanted to try them to see if they worked good. I mean, they were so cheap. They were like $1. I'm guessing they were Halloween, but these are really cool. So I want to try them out on camera. I think I'm going to try them today. I also have this MILANI Color Beams Color Harmony. I think it is a blush. It's very pretty. It's like a color wheel. They have all these different tones in it. I think I see 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors in it, which looks beautiful. So I got that and I thought maybe I would try that as well. Yeah, I have some eyeshadow palettes, but I'm not going to do that today. Oh, these eyelashes that I bought a while ago, I'm going to be trying these out today. These are the EYLURE Vegas Nay Grand Glamour eyelashes. They look very intense, very pretty. So I have 5 things right here that I'm going to be trying. So this will be another 5 first impressions. I don't know why those are my favorite. I think it's harder to get a full face of first impressions than it is to just like pick out 5 products and do that. So I'm going to do that. I think I'll probably pop these lashes on first. So like I said, these were the EYLURE Vegas Nay Grand Glamour lashes. I've had these for a minute and I just have not tried them. They look very dramatic. Look at those. Those are really intense. I always use the Duo Dark Tone Eyelash Glue. That's just my favorite. I normally have, lately I've been using the Pure Diva lashes. Those are my favorite. They look so good on my eyes. They're so flattering. This is the Unlashed mascara from Wander Beauty. I kind of switched up my skincare. I'm trying to go more like minimal on it and see, just slowly start incorporating new stuff to see if any of the stuff I've been using has been contributing to my skin problems. So right now I'm just using the Juice Beauty Blemish Clearing Cleanser, I think. And I bought the Tarte Maracuja oil, or however you say it, and I've just been using those, and I feel like it has cleared my skin up really nicely. Okay guys, so I just popped on those lashes. This lash is still drying. So these are very intense. They're beautiful. They would be perfect for a night out or something like that. The band is pretty comfortable. I definitely think it's a thicker band, but it's not like really uncomfortable. The lashes aren't super heavy. they're intense. They are very intense. They're really pretty. I like them. I like these a lot. I think they were $7, and the PUR ones that I'm obsessed with I think are $14. So for half the price, these are really pretty. Now I don't know how long they last. I don't know how many wears I'm gonna be able to get out of them. That's my thing with the PUR ones, is I feel like I can get so many wears out of them that it makes that $14 worth it. But for $7, these are really pretty. They're intense. These are really, really pretty. So let's go in and start with the rest of my face. I'm just gonna add concealer. I don't have a new one. So you can see this foundation looks so matte. It doesn't feel sticky at all. I swear normally I feel like I instantly have to set my face, and with this foundation I did not feel like I had to set it. I don't even feel like I have to set it at all. So I'm just blending the concealer out, and then I will set my face and contour, and then I will get into some of these other first impressions. I'm just gonna set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me loose setting powder. So I'm just gonna take my E41, which is like my favorite fluffy brush, and set the rest of my face. Just contouring really quick with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I feel like my skin looks so good today. What is happening? I just contoured and warmed up the skin with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. So I think for blush, I'm gonna try this Milani wheel. So this is what the little color wheel looks like. It really reminds me of the Ofra. Like just the packaging and everything reminds me of Ofra. So right here is a shimmer shade. So I'm gonna try to keep it around these three, not picking up too much shimmer. I'm just picking this up on my Morphe M437. Oh, that's pretty. I love the tone of that. Holy cow, that is pretty. So I'm just dipping my brush all around like that. I think I've definitely come to appreciate blush more than I ever have. I went a little heavy on the blush. So I'm just gonna take my powder brush and just blend that a little bit. I did go a little heavy. That is pretty. I really like that. Okay, for highlighter, I'm gonna jump into this PUR Midnight Masquerade palette. I'm gonna take Twilight, which looks beautiful. It seriously looks gorgeous. This smells like Tarte, like a Tarte palette, I think. That is pretty. I don't think that it's emphasizing my texture. It might be emphasizing it a little bit, but normally I can get that to tone down a little bit when I set my face, when I'm done doing my makeup. It just really helps melt it all into the skin, or I will dab over it with my sponge, and that helps melt it into the skin and makes it look less textured. But also just when I spray my face at the end of doing my makeup, that usually seems to help that as well. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna try is this Fright Nights glitter eyeliner. This is just a silver glitter liner, it says. I'm not really sure how it's gonna perform. So does this say what shade it is? It does not. So I am just going to add a little bit of it to the inner part of my eye. Dab over that with my finger. I feel like that didn't make that big of a difference. You can see right where I like really pack it on, it does good, but blending it out, I think most of it stuck onto my fingers, don't really know. I'm gonna swatch this purple one just because I want to see. I don't want to put it on my eyes and like ruin my look, but I just want to see. I wonder how it's going to dry down. So there it is swatched. It's very pretty. I was thinking maybe this would be a good alternative instead of the Urban Decay, what are they called? The heavy metal glitter liners, I think. So I'm just gonna let this dry down and I'm gonna finish up the rest of my makeup, and then I will see if it is sticky or if it moves or if it dries down all the way, because I will definitely be playing with these more. I do love the Stila Magnificent Metals. I think they're beautiful. I should go over that there. But they're expensive. Okay, so next I have these Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Colors. These colors are so pretty. So I got the shade Strawberry Sundae, which is this pinky one, and then I got Buttercream Frosting, which looks beautiful. So what I think I'm gonna do is use the Strawberry Sundae all over my lips and use Buttercream Frosting more on the center. I do believe I have one of these. I don't remember how it performs, but my Kmart is going out of business. Like, the store is closing. So I went there and I was able to find some pretty cool stuff for actually really cheap since they are closing. I got those glitters, I got these lippies, that Milani blush. I definitely had to go over that twice, and I can still kind of see my lips through it. It is a very light shade though. So then I'm just gonna take Buttercream Frosting. Is that what this one is? Buttercream Frosting. So it dries down pretty quickly. It doesn't feel sticky at all. It feels very light. So I just put it right on the center of my lips and then pushed my lips together. That looks really pretty. It dries down a lot, like really quick. Ooh, okay, so this dried down. That's awesome. So this might just be one that you need to build up a little bit more, but seriously, I'm like rubbing the crap out of my hand and it's like not coming off at all. Like, I'm like rubbing the crap out of it. Okay, I just from the swatches, I mean on my lid it just did a little bit, but I didn't want it too intense with this eye look. I might add a little bit of the purple glitter on the lower lash line when I go finish up my eyes, but holy cow. I'm like surprised. Yeah, that looks awesome. So I'm just gonna spray my face. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I think when I bought this, I thought I bought the Prep and Set. So that's still on my list. I definitely wanna go get that. I love how quickly that dries. I got more on my chest than anywhere else. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go finish up my eyes and I will be right back to tell you my first impressions on these products. Okay guys, so I just finished up the rest of my makeup. This is the finished look. I think my makeup turned out beautifully today. I don't know if it's just because I've been sick for 2 weeks and I haven't done my makeup like at all. And then I put makeup on and I'm like, oh, there she is. So I'm gonna go through and tell you guys my first impressions on these products I tried out today. The lashes that I have on right now, they are gorgeous. They are beautiful. I would definitely buy these again, depending on how many uses I can get out of one pair of lashes. But they were pretty inexpensive. Like I said, I think they were $7 or $8. As of right now, I definitely would buy these again. The next first impressions I tried out was the Color Beams Color Harmony Blush Palette from Milani. This is beautiful. I loved the tone of this blush. I thought it was so pretty. I hit all these colors except for this shimmery one right here, because personally I don't really go for a shimmery blush unless it's in the summer, and then I feel like it's a little more justified. But I think that it is beautiful. It was very easy to go on. It was really pigmented. It was really easy to blend out and make it look seamless. So I definitely do like this. I used the highlighter in the Pure Midnight Masquerade palette. I think the highlighter is beautiful. See, after I sprayed my face and dabbed over it a little bit with my sponge, it definitely looks less textured, which I feel like I normally have to do, so I'm okay with that. I was gonna dip into the blush, but I forgot I grabbed a new blush. I do like this highlighter. I'm excited to try the rest of the colors in this palette. I think they're beautiful. Okay, and then I tried out these liquid, what are these? Glitter eyeliners from Fright Nights. And these were super cheap. They were like $1. This one is still on my hand. It will not budge. I added a little bit of purple right on the inner corner of the lower lash line, and I think it's beautiful. And then I also added a little bit of glitter on the inner part of the eye, and I'm hoping that they won't move. Judging by this swatch, I don't think they're gonna move. I don't think they're gonna flake or fall over my face, so I'm excited to keep trying these. Literally, I think these were $1 each, so I was like, I'm gonna get those, no harm, no foul. Like, they were really cheap. If they don't work, that's fine. If they do, that's awesome. So I definitely will be using these in a couple future videos because I'm excited to see what I can do with them. And then the last first impressions I tried out are these Jordana Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Colors. These are beautiful. I have the shade Buttercream Frosting and Strawberry Sundae. I put Strawberry Sundae all over my lips, and then I went in the center with the Buttercream Frosting. I also tapped over the top of it with the highlighter I used on my face today, but it was very easy. My voice feels like it's gonna give up. It was very easy to apply. It dried down really nicely. It is very comfortable on the lips. I don't feel it at all. I think that they're really pretty. Depending on how they wear throughout the day, I am very impressed with these. So those were all of my thoughts on these 5 first impressions. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I post 3 videos every week. I did film this eyeshadow look, and I'm filming a foundation wear test on this foundation, so if you want to see those, I will link them down below if they're up already. If not, they will be coming up soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.
Getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em.